Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can be, living without diseases. Nature has actually created everything for us to remain healthy. And we live, eating the food which is made by nature directly with living water, then we are unlikely to contract any disease. Instead, we try to make food by processing it, adding taste, adding color, adding smell. All these things, if we try to do with our own mind, other than nature, that is where we attract diseases. We add up, if we mess up with the natural process, how the originally God has created the food, if we try to cross with nature, that is how we attract disease. Instead, let us flow with nature as it is, keep the food as it is, without disturbing it, and take that food properly. Okay, at the max, we can little bit, heat it, steam it like that, right? Not add too many tasting agents, too many, beautifying the food like that. If we don't do, then there won't be any mess up, and we will preserve our, food to give us health. That is where the secret lies. Invariably, all the processed foods bring diseases. Take any food actually, whether it is burger, whether it is pizza, whether it is roadside pani puri or any other thing, which is made, all will have certain things which is going to interfere our digestive process and add up some trouble there. One or two trouble in everywhere we mess up. And finally we think, and our health is messed up. Nobody has messed up other than ourselves only. Right? Nobody is going to mess up our health. We only mess up by going and getting testing and all kind of thing actually. Even medical journal itself says those who undergo frequent body checkups, they are the unhealthy one. Okay, they have to agree now, right? And we consult also persons who are all agents of drug industry, right? We think that they are all going to help us, but indirectly they are not with us. Their goal is something different, correct? They have to promote the drugs. That is where we get caught there, right? If we can be careful, if we are, understanding how we can maintain health, follow the principles which are there in Ayurveda or homeopathy or Unani or naturopathy or nutritional science. All these things we back up, we are unlikely to get any disease. That is where our strength lies. We become weaker by following our own mind as such. We should not do that, right? So wherever there is a doubt, check back with nature, right? Then we will not be able to, contract diseases. That is where the secret lies.